ちゃんだよ。Good morning, night, hello! I'm Moon-chan. Let's learn Japanese with me. Today's letter is
らりるれろ One more time らりるれろ You can find らりるれろ in la line here らりるれろ sounds more natural by using L sound. La for Las Vegas. Li for Lily. Lu for Luke Skywalker. Le for Lemon. Lo for London. Read aloud with me. Laりるれろ It's your turn.
Let's write hiragana.
ららりりるるれれろろToday we got 6月 June
You did great today. またね。
Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.